The answer is yes. There are a few important deadlines that you should be aware of. Now through March 1st, we'll be in our early admission period. This means that all programs are open for enrollment with our standard $95 application fee. Starting March 2nd through May 15th, we enter our general admission period. This is where the application fee increases to $145, and some programs might start to fill up, so you might get put on a wait list. From May 16th onward, we'll be entering our rolling admission period. This means that the waitlist is closed and most programs are going to be filled and there's going to be limited sessions available. During this time, we'll only accept enrollments on a case-by-case basis, and the time window you have to complete your application and all the other materials you need will be much shorter. The application fee will also increase to $250, so make sure that you enroll before May 16th. That's all the info I have about deadlines, but if you have a question, please leave a comment below or send us a message on Instagram or Facebook.